We've just done this quick speed test on the car. We're currently connected to the StarLink wireless network that's set up on the roof of this Tesla Model Y. As you can see here, the whole StarLink package does load into the front trunk of the Tesla quite smoothly, and you do have room left in there to pack up your inverter as well. So as you can see, that's a regular box that doesn't fit in the front trunk, but everything needed, including the inverter and the router that the StarLink kits come with, that's just running from power there, will pack up nicely into the front trunk of the car. And I did time the setup of this one. It took me 1 minute and 11 seconds to get the StarLink set up and ready for use. So not too difficult to do. Superchargers and what have you if you are travelling with a StarLink and a Tesla around Australia to get your internet anywhere on this particular continent. I believe there's only a small patch of WA currently that is not serviced by StarLink. So pretty much everywhere in Australia you can rent the Tesla and the StarLink and get internet, work on the go wherever you are. Tesla-Taxi-Millin if you'd like to rent one of these systems with or without the inverter, and we can arrange delivery of the StarLink by itself, either the new rectangular one that you see here or the older round dish, anywhere within Australia, from as quickly as same day or next day depending on the location that you need the product. Tesla-Taxi.com.au if you'd like to try any of these systems for yourself. Thank you.